Several weeks ago, I purchased a Media Mod to use with my GoPro camera. I have the 12 black camera. This is an excellent camera. It takes amazing videos, really nice wide angle lens, great camera. I had an 8 prior to this one, very happy with that one as well. This is the OEM GoPro branded legitimate Media Mod. I don't know if there's knockoffs of these things, there probably are, but this is the real deal. I don't think that this is a very good product at all. There's a lot of nuances to using this thing. It's bulky, it's clunky, it's just not great. I got it because I wanted to be able to connect external microphones to the camera, because in my use case I tend to move around. I'm not always the same distance from the camera, causes the audio level to change. The audio pickup is okay on the camera, but it's not the greatest. So being able to connect the external microphones was a total game changer to the quality of the video overall, and improve the audio quality many times over. This allows me to connect my microphones. It works reliably every time, gets the job done. There's just a lot of nuances to using it, and kind of odd design choices that I don't understand why they were made. First off, the onboard microphone is garbage. I actually think the microphone in the camera sounds better, but that's not the point of this video. When you put this in the mod, which you have to take it out to change the battery, which is kind of a drag, because if you use one of these cameras, you know you change the battery all the time. It slips in here like this. It's not difficult to get in and out. I saw people complaining in their reviews, oh, it's so difficult and time consuming to get in and out. No, it's not, okay? You drop this down and it comes right out. Is it an extra step? Yes. Is it difficult? No. So you put it in the mod, you shut this, and then you want to mount it to something. Well, it becomes impossible to get this out without a tool. I have to keep a pick on hand with this to be able to open this up. That's problem number one. Problem number two is that because this is deeper in there, the default connector that you get, this is another OEM connection piece, this is too short. So if you put this on here, like this, and I always have to use a screwdriver, because unless you have tiny little hands, there's no way they're going to close this manually. It doesn't really work properly. It's too short. You can't get a good angle either way. So it comes with a longer one, which is this one. So we connect this, put this in here. I'm not going to tighten it up because it doesn't make any difference for the video, and you get a full adjustable angle now. And likewise, if you put it this way, you can now put this on your body cam mount, and it goes all the way up. So this is not doable with this, because this is too short. That's great. So that's problem number two. Problem number three, this is a piece of junk. This one is probably 6 years old. This came with my original GoPro 8 camera, which I only got rid of because there was a mishap with the battery, which was completely user error, no fault of the product. and I could not buy a new battery because it was discontinued. That's the only reason I bought a new GoPro camera. If that battery mishap did not take place, I would probably still be using the GoPro 8 unless it broke at this point. So this has been around for a long time. This one, been around for a couple weeks. This one is broken. It broke yesterday, not even a month in. Now, I use this a lot. I use this thing probably 4 to 5 days a week. It's not unusual. I use it hours at a time. I use it way more than the average consumer does. I used this at that frequency for years. There was no problem. Now, I depend on this for my livelihood to make my videos, so I take care of it. I don't use it aggressively. I don't force it in and out of the mounts. I use all the OEM mounts, and it still broke. Listen to the sound of these things. Cheap, lightweight, hollow garbage. This new one is made out of what we call shatter plastic. It's a very brittle, delicate material that when you flex it, it snaps or shatters rather than bends. This is made of flexible plastic. This will probably never break. This is already broken. Now I can't use my Media Mod anymore because this does not work with the Media Mod. I need this. Well, can't buy this separately. I had to buy a whole new contraption to get a new one. Now, I'm a big advocate of buying legitimate OEM equipment from manufacturers of which I enjoy the product. I like the GoPro camera. I think it's a great product. I want to buy the OEM stuff to support the manufacturer, although the design of that other one is totally unacceptable. So I couldn't buy just the buckle mount or whatever it was called itself. I had to buy this grab bag. Well, it's not a bag, it's a box of mounts and spare parts. How this opens is anybody's guess. Okay, that was reasonable enough. So let's see what we got here. Now this has a lifetime warranty, allegedly, and there's not even an asterisk after that, which indicates it's some kind of a lie. So it says that over here as well. So if this next one breaks, well, they're going to hear from me, and they better replace it. Hopefully it doesn't break, but let's see. So it comes with this, which I don't see why that would ever break. It comes with this, which is useless. This is so short. This is a totally useless piece of equipment. This is better because at least it's longer. This will... Under certain conditions, you can probably still screw this in by hand. But this one, this other one, I mean, there's no shot because it goes underneath, like, it just... What good is this? This is worthless. This is a worthless piece of equipment. This is okay. This is kind of interesting. This is a it kind of converts it to a different angle. This is good to have. I don't really have an immediate use for this, but there have been a handful of occasions I've wanted this. So, although I wouldn't have spent the money on it right now, I'm glad I can add that to my toolbox. This I already have, and here's the new one. And it always comes with this. I don't know why. What is this? Why do we need this? And I have to get this out of here. Unless is this supposed to stay in there during operation? I can't. No, it can't, because it doesn't compress at all. This has to come out. I guess it's just some kind of shipping apparatus. Well, it's a different... Where is that other one that went flying across the room because it's a piece of junk? This is definitely made of a different looking material. See, this one that came with the Media Mod is all, you know, sleek and shiny. It's also broken and a piece of junk. But they kind of sound the same. See, the original one, it's kind of more solid. Now this one looks the same as the original one, so that's a little promising, as opposed to this, you know, being this kind of tacky, cheap-looking, shiny material. See, this looks more like the first one that I had. So hopefully this one lasts. I mean, that's really all it has to do. If it can do that, it shouldn't break. Now, in here we were also supposed to have an extra amount here. This, I don't have a use for this flat one, but this one I do use. I use this in the car and I use this on my helmet, so I guess it's just as well to have a, you know, one of those back up on hand. But had to buy all those things just to get this, and I hope this doesn't break. So now I can put this on here and it's the right size, and we're back in business. For how long is anybody's guess. I'm very surprised to see that these two are not the same. I hope this one's better, because this one's awful. Time will tell. Now I got some videos to make, and I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use this, and we'll see what happens.